Hello mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. And this is me, Justin Reyes Vlog, na nagsasabing enjoy life as always. For today's video guys, we're here now in Dammam, kung saan libutin natin ang Corniche area here in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. So, let's find out!
It's hard to understand me, but I keep my own boundaries. Why won't they do the same? I'm tired of being the nice guy. I know I shouldn't be the one complaining right now. I'm the one who did this to
So guys, ito na nga po, nandito na po tayo sa Dammam area, kung saan ikutin natin ang Dammam, Saudi Arabia. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Corniche at i-explore kung anong kagandahan dito sa Saudi Arabia. You know guys, nandito po tayo ngayon sa daanan. Actually, ang dami-dami mga lugar dito na maganda at saka, ayan, nasa sasakyan ngayon. So, ikutin muna tayo, papasok na po tayo sa car. Hello Abud, how are ya? Yes, yan ang ating ka-travel vlog na si Abud. Kasama po tayo ngayon sa pag-travel for today's video here in Dammam. Actually guys, is a family day, so maraming tao ngayon sa Corniche. So nakikita namin, pero ang init for today's video. Diba? Kasi nga, since Saturday, so tomorrow again is another day para maging explore ang ating pamumuhay, explore our buhay, of course. Nakasama ang ating short travel vlog na si Abot. Say hi, Abot.
Hi.
Yeah, this is my travel vlog, Abot. Kasama lagi sa ating travel vlog here sa Saudi Arabia. So, makikita niyo po sa corners yung mga coffee shop, mga like a Pianola, or etc. Lahat-lahat po nandito makikita niyo po. Kasi since na family day is Saturday, so ikutin naman natin doon yung area na sa Al Marjan na tinatawag. So, let's go! Yan guys, a while ago, yan po yung aking pinlag before, yung Heritage Village. Diba? Sa Saudi Arabia. Sa Cornish. Natapos na po natin i-vlog before. That's 2 years I think, yes. So ngayon, pupunta naman po tayo sa Al Marjan sa Saudi Arabia. Guys, we're here now sa Al Marjan. Ito po yung tatak na talaga ng Dammam. Kung saan po tayo ngayon, nasa Dammam area. So, i-discover natin yung tuk-tuk doon later. So, see you. Bye-bye. Abad. So guys, is unfortunately it's closed this area. So hindi po kami nakapasok doon sa taas. So nandito na po kami ngayon sa labas kung saan ikotin lang namin itong cornice. What can you say about the mom?
It's good, everything there. The wind, the beach. The restaurant also.
Yes, actually there's a lot of restaurants. And also there's a lot of like vendors here, yes. See, this po yung area. But it's a little bit hot only because it's summer here in Dammam. So, yun lang po, naikot lang namin itong margin area, yung forest area for today's video, guys. Yan. Diba? Abod?
Bye-bye. See you next vlog.
Say hi. Guys, we eat Dunkin' Donut here habang magandang view. So, kainin natin yung donut. Diba? Napakasarap actually siya. Diba yung sa orange? Tsaka perfect. Okay. that's for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching and thank you for to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell kaya lagi kayong updated sa aking channel. And of course, dito lang po magtatapos ang ating for today's vlog, travel vlog here in Dammam, Saudi Arabia. And see you for my next vlog. Bye-bye.
It's hard to understand me, but I keep my own boundaries. Why won't they do the same? I'm tired of being the nice guy. I know I shouldn't be the one complaining right now. I'm the one who did this to